Welcome, problem solving fans, to another problem of the day, and this one is all about Henry and his mystery 3-digit number. So Henry makes a 3-digit number, and we got some clues. His number lies between 209 and 220, and the digits sum to 9. Well, the obvious thing to do here is to actually write out the numbers between 209 and 220. So we've got 209, 210, 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, and 220. So it tells us that the digits sum to 9. So what we need to do is see what the sum of each set of digits is. Well, 2 plus nothing plus 9 is 11. 2 plus 1 plus 0 is 3. 2, 1 and 1 is 4. 2, 1 and 2 is 5. 2, 1 and 3 is 6. 2, 1 and 4 is 7. 2, 1 and 5 is 8. 2, 1 and 6 is 9. 2, 1 and 7 is 10. 2, 1 and 8 is 11. 2, 1 and 9 is 12. And then 2, 2 and 0 is only 4. And it says the digits sum to 9. So it appears there is only one of these combinations where the digits sum to 9, and that is this one, 216. So the number that Henry made must have been 216. 216. None of the other combinations have digits which sum to 9. This one sums to 11, 3, 4, total is 5, total is 6, total is 7, total is 8, total is 10, total is 11, total is 12, total is 4. The only one where the digits sum to 9 is 216.